Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. Should be a good one. We're doing a bit of calculus. And sorry I haven't posted in a while, but should be posting soon. Should be good content. Stay tuned. Hey guys, just eating breakfast here, trying to get fueled up for the day, and all we have is this little piece of bread. I don't know how much bread this is, but you know what does? Calculus knows. So if we just put our bread here on our handy dandy graph paper that we have lying around, situated just right, we can find that we have e to the x line and negative 2x. So using calculus, we can figure out how much area this piece of toast is. Calculus. Start. Now, first thing we're going to want to do is calculate the integral of our first line between 1 and 0 minus the integral of our second line, negative 2x, between 1 and 0. Now, that is e to the x between 1 and 0 minus negative x squared between 1 and 0. And we're going to just put those in brackets. And that equals our area. Now, we plug in our values of 1 and 0. We get e to the 1 minus e to the 0. Subtract negative 1 squared minus negative 0 squared. And then that gets us e minus 1 minus negative 1. And we get down to e minus 1 plus 1. Those cancel, and our final answer is e equals our total area of toast. And now that we know how much area the toast is, we can use that to know exactly how much margarine to put on, because we gotta oil her up. Now that's a nutritious breakfast right there. Now after a good nutritious breakfast, it's time to hit the trails and go for a run. Hey guys, we're out here for a run. It's been a bit of a hard one, but I've been wondering, I wonder how fast I can run. So, using calculus, maybe I can figure out how fast I can run. Let's give it a try. Okay, so I got here to this field, and I'm thinking, maybe if I put a stick at 1 meter, and then every other meter I put a stick, and then I count the time between one stick to the other. I can make a graph of my distance over time and then calculate velocity. Okay, so I found a stick. This stick here will mark meter 0. This will be my start line. Placed it like so. And now I'm gonna put down rocks to measure each of the different meters as I go along. Okay, now I've got my rocks set up like so, and my stick at the far end there, and I'm gonna run the 6 meters, and I'm gonna see how fast I can run. Get set, go. Okay, now that I know I can run really fast, may as well finish my run. Hey guys, after my long, hard run, I've now done my calculations and found out my fastest speed. So for this calculations, I used my chart here to graph my distance versus time. And in this section here in orange is when I was accelerating, and I calculated or found that curve to be y equals x squared. And then in order to find my velocity, you need to take the derivative of y equals x squared, which is 2x. Now, I plugged in my numbers at my peak velocity, which was at 3 meters. So at 3 meters, it took me I was at 1.93 seconds. So you plug in your 1.93 seconds, and my peak velocity was 3.86 meters per second. Hey guys, if you like the vlog, you should subscribe because there's going to be lots more content coming out soon. So subscribe, click the bell for those notifications. Now, a quick word from my sponsors. Calculus for Dummies. If you want to learn how to do the calculus in this vlog, read Calculus for Dummies, because you can learn all kinds of ways to do calculus and the history behind it, like how it was Isaac Newton who found calculus independently from Gottfried Leibniz, but Isaac Newton got fried by Leibniz because he was the one who first published the work, so he was supposedly came up with it first, but then Newton claimed that he had done it. Big kerfuffle. Now they're both credited of founding it independently. You can learn all this kinds of cool stuff in Calculus for Dummies. Thanks for the sponsorship. But really, it's such a big book, I'd suggest just taking the class. It's a lot easier.